The definition of a quasi-experimental concept. The quasi-experimental concept design is not like a true experiment, except that in the quasi-experimental design, the participants are not randomly assigned to experimental groups. Rather, it utilizes different techniques such as controlling statistical data controls or naturally occurring groups to approximate the conditions of a genuine experiment and reduce selection bias.
The quasi-experimental concept. It is a research methodology that resembles a true experiment. It also aims to establish a cause and effect relationship between the dependent and independent variables.
Applications of the quasi-experimental concepts. A very common application of this concept is seen in educational research and development. Two groups of students are used to test the effectiveness of a new teaching method. An exam is handed out to both groups and test scores are taken. This will be the pre-test phase of the quasi-experiment. One group will be using the old method and will be called the control group, while the other group of students will be using the new method. Both groups will be using these methods and will be given another exam with different questions but same difficulty in 1 month's time. From the start of the experiment, results after this exam will be post-test. Note that this experiment has low internal validity, as many factors can affect the results of the test. For example, seeing as the students won't be randomly selected, this can cause biased student selection. Things like social media and school events can affect either group. For example, prejudice. And lastly, difficulty of the test is subjective, as individuals from either group can be underprepared or ready for the exam.
There you have it, guys. This is the quasi-experimental concept in a nutshell. Hope you enjoy. Bang!